Namaskaram Sadhguru. I read in Mystic's Musings that if I give Reiki to someone, I might take on their karmic patterns. How can I protect myself from that?
By not doing it. Because these are all things that have come out of dropouts from Buddhist monasteries. If you see people bursting out here with different kinds of energies, whatever, it's the milder lot, they're more violent people who they are a burst of energy. If we want to convert them into healers, they would be very effective healers, no question about it. But if anybody attempts any such thing, they had it. I'll wrap them up in such a way that they'll never again know anything spiritual in their whole life. And definitely we'll check them out of this place also, because we don't want such people. Not because we are against relieving another person's pain, but you meddling with another person's life process without knowing the whole of it is irresponsible. It is like you saw, these days you can see videos of major surgeries happening. So you saw a video like this, you observed everything very carefully. So tomorrow somebody has a problem, you take a shaving razor and decide to do a surgery upon him. I'm telling you, some people may survive this. People have survived such things, isn't it? Many times in battle zones, in nature, when accidents happen, people have performed absolutely crude surgeries upon somebody and they have survived. But that doesn't mean that's the way to do surgery, isn't it? That's not the way to do surgery, isn't it so? It's just that some people might have survived such surgeries. In extraordinary conditions, it was done. So, any kind of meddling with other people's energies is very juvenile. It's coming out of a certain immaturity and a certain egoistic state of wanting to play God. If it is coming out of compassion, what's your problem? Let everybody's karma come to you as long as he's relieved, what is your problem? That's not it. You want to play God with gloves on. Doesn't work like that. God didn't play the games with you, the conspiracy with you, with gloves on. He got himself into you to play this game. It's only the priest who told you that he's sitting up there and watching everything. But look at the way life is happening. The source of creation got itself trapped in you, isn't it? Yes, isn't it so? Unless you have that kind of involvement, you don't meddle with such things.